Good morning, all 5th standard scholarship student, and welcome to Mudesar's Academy. Okay, today we will see angle and types of angle. Okay, suppose this is a one ray and this is a another ray. These two rays are connected to the common point. Okay, and this red rays traced some space in between these two rays. This traced space is called as angle. Okay, once again I repeat, this is a one ray and this is another ray. It is connected with some common point, and this, because of this red rays is traced some space in between the two rays. Okay, this space is called as angle. Okay, same way QR is one ray and QP is another ray. Because of QP, some space is traced in between these two rays. Because of QP, some space is traced in between these two rays. This space is called as angle. Okay, this angle is denoted by this symbol, and this is side QR, and this is the side, another side is QP, and this common point is called as vertex of this figure. Okay, Q is called as vertex, and QR and QP are the sides. Okay, same how we call angle angle PQR or angle RQP or simply angle Q. Okay, understood? Angle, this is a one ray and this is a another ray. Because of this another ray, tracing of this another ray, some space is traced. This space is called as angle. First type is right angle triangle. Okay, this is a QR ray and this is the PQ. Okay, the space is traced because of PQ, an angle made of 90 degree. Angle made of 90 degree, it is called as right angle triangle, and it is denoted by this. Okay, if angle made by these two rays, angle made by these two rays is 90 degree, okay, is called as right angle triangle. Okay, same way if ray QR and ray PQ traced angle less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Okay, angle traced by QP, angle traced by QP is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Same way, if QR is one ray and angle traced by QP is greater than 90 degree, means greater than 90 degree is called as obtuse angle. Okay, same, this is a right angle triangle is reference angle, means angle made by these two ray if equal to 90 degree is right angle triangle, right angle. If less than 90 degree acute angle and greater than 90 degree obtuse angle. Okay, we will take the some questions. Okay, before going to the question, we will see the some basic watch type of questions. This is a wall watch. Okay, this is a circle of how much angle of how much rotation of one rotation of circle is 360 degree. One rotation of this circle is 360 degree. How many numbers in watch? 12, means 360 divided by 12, 30 degree. It means angle between the 12 and 1 is 30 degree. Angle between the 1 and 2 is 30. 2 and 3 30. 3 and 4 30. 4 and 5 30 same. 5 and 6 30 degree. 6 and 7 30. 7 and 8 30. This is 30. Okay, how many 30s are? 12, means 12 into 30. One rotation of circle is 360 degree. Means our minute hand or our hand rotate one rotation. One rotation means it rotates around 360 degree. Okay, and angle in between the two numbers, angle in between the two numbers are 30 degree. Okay, this is a 2 o'clock, means angle in between the 12 and 1 is 30 degree, and angle in between the 1 and 2 is 30 degree, means total angle is for 2 o'clock total angle 30 plus 30 means 60 degree. In this way we will solve the question based on the watch. Okay. Question: which type of angle is formed in between the hour hand and minute hand at 4 o'clock? Hour hand means ताश काटा, minute hand minute काटा. Okay, which type of angle is formed in between the hour hand and minute hand at this is a 4 o'clock. Okay, is in between 12 and 1 30 degree, 1 and 2 30, 2 and 3 30, and 3 and 4 30 degree, means how many 30? 1 2 3 4 is 4 into 30 degree 120. Is it is greater than 90 degree, means which type of angle? Okay, obtuse angle. Okay, questions based on clock are this type of. Again, comment at 3 o'clock which type of angle? Comment at 9 o'clock which type of angle? Please comment. At 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock which type of angle? At 5 o'clock which type of angle? Okay, in this way you can solve question based on the watch. What is the angle in between the stretched thumb and index finger? Stretched thumb and index finger is first acute, right angle, obtuse and straight. Okay, comment. Okay, right, obtuse angle. Okay, in the lines. Okay, this is the line M, this is the line N. the line in the same plane which do not intersect each other is called as parallel line. Okay, means how it is right? M parallel N. Line M and line N are parallel, means it does not intersect each other no matter how much long it is. Okay, if we extended this line, though also it is not intersect with each other, is called as parallel lines. Okay, another line is if line intersect with each other and made the right angle with each other is called as perpendicular angle. Means this is the line M and line N, means M perpendicular N. Okay, this is a very simple part. Line, railway lines are the parallel lines. Okay, we will take some example. Two parallel lines blank each other. We know that two parallel lines never intersect with each other. Okay, option number 3. Means options are intersect, after extending intersect, never intersect, and are perpendicular. Though it is extended, though also it parallel lines never intersect. In this way we complete the types of angle and lines. Next video we will see the triangles and circles. Okay, in this way we will complete the geometry. If you really like these videos, please share with your friends and comment it. I am clearing the concept. Maths is very simple subject. Okay, thank you so much.